us. Yes, sir. Underway. Resume merriment. You are safe.
Okay, we're at Polynesian Village and we're staying in a deluxe studio standard view. And just like the other room, we have a queen size bed, a sleeper sofa that pulls out into a bed, the pull down bed under the TV again, little kitchenette, a little balcony here, looks out over the property. It's got Lilo and Stitch in there. Little kitchenette with a microwave, coffee pot, toaster, little refrigerator. And then we have this bathroom area that has the sink and a walk-in shower. And it has this second bathroom that has a tub shower and this is a deluxe studio standard view at Disney's Polynesian Village.
Will you come with us? Yes, sir. Underway.